Today's leftover chicken bento is perfect for when you have a serving of chicken, a little bit of leftovers here and there, and you need a high protein lunch that's quick to pack and does not require any cooking. Hi, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I'm so excited that you're here. This entire month, I'm showcasing quick, no-cook, back-to-school bento ideas that you can whip up really fast in about 5 minutes, and I'm sharing with you the tricks of keeping packed lunches fresh until lunchtime. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll be the first to know when I share the other quick lunch ideas. Now in this main compartment, I'm gonna grab my leftover chicken. I already sliced it into pieces and I'm gonna place it in there. I sometimes pack this bento before I finish cleaning up the kitchen from dinner, so it's one less thing to put away and it's ready to go in the morning. I'm also gonna place a few turkey or bacon slices that's already cooked and crispy in there, and some sugar snap peas that I'm gonna place in my main compartment. Now, if packing lunches is a struggle, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder for you in the description box that would help you build quick lunches by mix and matching ingredients that you already have on hand. To bulk this up, I'm adding some grape tomatoes right inside next to my veggies. This is just the kind of lunch that, since all the ingredients have moisture, you can put all of them together in the same lunchbox. For more protein, I have a hard-boiled egg that I'm just gonna place right here on the side. And at the very end, I'm gonna add some cheese cubes right here next to my eggs. Now my crackers, I pack separately in another container so they stay nice and fresh until lunchtime. And now that this is packed, all I gotta do is grab my lunch and place it in the refrigerator, and in the morning just take it out. Also place an ice pack in my lunch bag along with this high protein bento lunch and those crackers that I pack separately, something to drink, and anything else you wanna pack. Zip it up and this lunchbox is ready to go. But wait, there's more. Watch this next bento that's also a breeze to pack. See you next time.